Hi, I'm Clogan. I'm a staff geoscientist at REGENESIS. Honestly, I like the challenge. I like the different jobs, how much they change from job to job. I mean, you can be in one job in New York and then again in New Jersey, and it can be completely different even though you're geographically so close. I believe in the products that we sell and we implement. I believe in the team that we actually care about what we're doing. We're not just out there pumping these products into the ground. We actually want to clean up the groundwater and soil that we're injecting these products into. So the follow-up on knowing if we accomplished these goals or not is really important. I would describe myself and the team that I work with as unique, hardworking, and possessing a lot of integrity. I see it playing out in the field with our track record, with the success we've had over the past year and years previous. These attributes speak for themselves with our accomplishments.